So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything I'm going to do up here. So first you want to expand HK local machine, then you want to expand software, then you want to expand Microsoft, and now you want to expand Windows NT. We're going to scroll down till you find Windows NT, you want to expand that. And now you want to expand current version. I want to make this a bit bigger. And now you want to find SVC host. We're going to scroll down till we find SVC host, click on this, and now this will appear on the right side. And now once you're on this, you just want to right click on the white space, and then click on new, and then click on multi-string value. And now this will come up. You want to call this GPS VC group. Spell it the same way I did with the same capitals and lowercase, and then click on enter. And then once you have this, you now want to double click on it. And now in this box right here, we're going to type in GPS VC. Again, same capitals and lowercase as I used, and then click on OK. You're going to be getting this warning right here, just ignore it and click on OK. And now for the next step, you now want to right click on SVC host, and then click on new, and then click on key. You want to call this new key GPS VC group. Again, same spelling, capitals and lowercase, and then click on enter. Make sure that you're now in this folder, GPS VC group. Again, you can follow all this up here. And now once you're on this, we're going to right click on the white space, and then click on new, and then click on dword for 8-bit value. We're going to call this authentication capabilities. Again, same spelling, capitals and lowercase, and then click on enter. Now we're going to double click on this. And now in this value data box right here, we're going to type in 12320. Again, 12320 in this box right here, and then click on OK. And now for the next step, you're going to right click again, new, dword for 8-bit value. You're going to call this conditionalize security param. Again, same spelling, capitals and lowercase, and then click on enter again. And now once you have this, you're going to double click on it. And now in this box right here, you're going to type in 1. So make sure in this box you have the number 1, and then click on OK. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.